Yo, what's good, man? Y'all already know who it is, man. It's Octavius, capital Eats. And if you haven't already, man, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And man, also hit that notification bell so you can know when I upload on the videos, man. And today, man, I'm sliding to y'all house. I got my sons with me today. We going to y'all house, man. We out here in the Wheaton area, Rio. You know what I mean? We going to y'all house, man. Here go y'all house right here. Y'all can see, well, looks like that. Look at my sons right here. We walking together. We finna go get something to eat, man. Y'all house.
Go to this movie.
See, I went to the one downtown DC, man. I like y'all house, man. Y'all house is pretty good eats. But yeah, man, it's your boy Octavius, man. I'm gonna give y'all the inside. Go ahead. All right, so we on the inside. Oh yeah.
Right there.
Nah, you're good. Yeah, man, so that's what we doing. I'm about to... Yeah, man. So I'm waiting. We're waiting for our number to be called so we can go and have a good time. This is the, father and son's day. Beautiful day actually in the area. 80-something degree temperature, sun is shining really great. Feels good, not too hot, not too cold. Perfect temperatures. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna let you guys know in a minute, man. Once we get seated and everything, definitely gonna keep you guys up a point. And today, I'm gonna be drinking. It's your boy Octavius, capital E. Yo, like I said, man, capital Eats, man. Eats. Yeah, you see that? It's my Long Island. I'm ready to get a little water and stuff. Son's got root beer and Sprite. Yeah, man, so I'm waiting on my food. I ain't getting nothing like that, man. I just got me a burger, some fries, and macaroni and cheese. My son, he bougie with it. He got some lobster garlic noodles. And my youngest son got some pizza and fries. So, like, once the food get here, I'm going to give you a food test, a food scale on what I think of the food. Like I said, I ate at this spot, but it was downtown DC, and we're more so towards the Silver Spring, Rockville area. So that being said, it's your boy Octavius, capital E, and I'll be back at y'all. So my lovely server, yay, she just bought us some food. This is my pepper jack, thank you so much. Pepper jack burger.
What?
And fries.
Y'all coming.
My son, I don't know how this little buck gonna do it, but he probably do it. Where your fries at?
They didn't give it to me, I gotta wait. Until they come.
I gotta order some, I guess. And then my son, my bougie son, got the lobster garlic noodles.
Man, they're gonna come.
Yeah, so I'm gonna give you a rating right now. Oh, and I also forgot, I had mac and cheese. Now this ain't, I'm gonna let y'all know in a second. But son, what you think with the lobster garlic noodles? If you had to rate it from a 1 to 5, what would you rate it? Nothing is never perfect.
4.
Like a 4?
4.5, 4.
All right. And then, sorry, man, on your pizza and fries, you didn't even taste the pizza yet, so let's see what it do. Let me know what you think. They're hot, I know that. Plenty of cheese.
Not at all.
If you had to rate the pizza from 1 to 5, but 5 you can't rate it at 5 because nothing is perfect. So if you had to rate it from 1 to 4 or 4.5, what would your rating be?
Mine would be like 4.5.
4.5?
Yeah, because this is bomb.
It's bomb.
Even the fries, they good.
Even the fries. Oh, right. So my son said the fries are bomb. The pizza is bomb, 4.5. And then from my oldest son, you had a 4.4, a 4. This is a 4. And now, dun, dun, dun.
I'm about to rate that.
My rating, man. So look, I got the pepper jack burger, like I said. I don't know what the letters or nothing that, but if y'all can see that, just pepper jack, you know, little green peppers and some spicy stuff on there, like jalapenos and stuff. Let me see. Can you see me on my phone?
Yeah.
Put it so they can see your face. Right there. That's good.
Burger's okay. Me personally, I cook myself, so like I'll be looking for certain flavors or certain ways that I believe that certain foods should taste, and I get it. When you're at a restaurant, they don't want to overdo it and things like that. What's this? Your lobster. Things like that. So like, I don't want to be down on it, but if I had to rate it from like 1 to 5, I'll get it about a 3.8. All right, about a 3.8. And this, my son just gave me a piece of lobster. Let me see what this do. Lobster is more seasoned, everything. Lobster is great. Now, I'm gonna try this macaroni and cheese that look like a box of macaroni and cheese you can get from the crib. Get from the grocery store, just with a lot of cheese in it. I can already tell that I probably gonna need some macaroni, pepper and salt. Got plenty of cheese in it. Let me see what it do. Definitely hot, but this is absolutely trash. This is not capital E's at all. Macaroni and cheese, I'll pass on. It's trash. I'm definitely gonna have to throw salt and pepper. And I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to throw a couple of more ingredients on this to. If I want to continue to eat this, it's going to make me want to eat it. I'm going to have to do all the extra stuff. But other than that, overall, my sons gave y'all their rating. Young Sire gave you the 4.5 rating on his pizza. Octavius, well, I call him O2. He gave y'all his rating on his lobster garlic noodles of 4.0. At least as far as me, the burger and fries, I'm gonna say a 4.0. But if I had to individually rate the macaroni and cheese, I'm gonna give it a 1. downsides. Once again, man, if you haven't already, man, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so whenever I upload, you can get notified when I upload, man. But it's your boy Octavius, capital E, signing off, and we out.